Oh, g'day viewers, it's Jeff McPhee's Gardening, Melbourne, Australia. It's December, it's the mad time of the year because it's Christmas. Everybody wants everything done before Christmas. I'm already getting the texts in at the start of December, and we're getting the texts in saying, now, are we due before Christmas, or what's going to happen? There's new clients. Oh, we want to get our gardens done up nicely for Christmas. It's just madness. Everybody wants everything done. New customers, existing customers. You'd be mowing and someone would be saying, oh listen, by the way, when you come back next time, can you do mine? Because I want ours done before Christmas. This is where you must plan for December. The priority, I think, is your existing clients. You must look after existing clients because they're your bread and butter right throughout the year. Now, if you sacrifice your bread and butter for the chance of making a few extra bucks, you could fall on your face. If you're a newcomer, sure, I understand. You can get to a stage where you might want to build upon your existing clientele and you've got the time. Sure, take on the extra work, but you'll find a lot of these people are going to be one-off because all of a sudden they've come out of the woodwork, haven't made their lawns for 2 months, and they realise, oh, Christmas is coming, we better get our lawns all done up, our garden looking nice. So might be a quick buck for the day, but gee, you know, are they going to be there forever? So my priority is my existing customers. All of them are platinum customers. Now, normally if they're due on the time, our schedule, I don't break the schedule. I will have a week or 10 days off because I need to recharge the batteries. You know, in the past when I first started, I did everything, and even when my books were full, I'd take on extra work. Come Christmas time, I was absolutely stuffed. I didn't enjoy it. I didn't enjoy being with my family. It took me a week to get over it, and when I went back to work, I missed all that fun time with the family, and I'm back at work again. So I learnt early days is to make sure that I pace myself for the month of December, making sure that I look after my existing clients first. Planning, so all the pruning, all the mulching, all the hedges are all done prior to December. So when it comes to December, I do the mow and blows from existing customers, a little bit of garden maintenance, just tickle up the garden beds, making everything look great. So when you look at the whole planning, plan at the start of the year about how the whole year is going to progress, and that crescendo of December, make it easy for yourself. One thing I do, I'll put on my message bank, sorry, I'm not taking any more jobs on, I'm only talking to my existing clients. So you put a message to that effect on your message bank on your phone, so you don't have to worry about picking up the phone. If it's an existing customer, they'll leave a message, and you'll know from identification because they're in your address book. Now with the scheduling, I'll take everybody as per the schedule. So if they fall in that week that I'm going to have off, unfortunately, I'll have to get back to them after into the new year. Now, unless all my customers are platinum, but I do have 3 what I call golden platinum. Those customers represent 3-4 times as much as all the others put together. They're so valuable. If they wanted me to come Christmas Eve, I'd be there. But they're not that type of customer. They don't expect that. So I'll look after that major 3 first and then my rest second. Now, in that week that I have off, if in the early part of the week, I'll drag them forward if I've got time before Christmas. Otherwise, they're going to have to wait for that next cut. Yes, it's going to be a lot more work when I get back, but I really need that time off, and I need the time. The most important part of my life is my family. So a bit of food for thought. Think about December as a mad rush. It is. The traffic's bad. It takes you longer to get to the job. In Melbourne, we're having a lot of rain at the moment, so the mowing conditions are horrendous. Like getting through the jobs is a lot slower. So you're chasing your tail. A few wet days, and therefore you've got to catch up. You don't want all those hassles of taking on extra work. If you've got the time, do it, but just think about yourself and think about your family, and just think about the planning that you put in place. All right, now that's it for today. Now I'm not going to say Merry Christmas today. I'm going to do a video in a couple of weeks. I'm going to talk about what we're going to do next year, about the channel. I'll show you my Christmas lights if you're interested, and we'll have a little chat about what I'm going to do with the channel next year. I'm excited about building it up more, and also what I do for the new year for the business, what plans I put in progress. You might be interested. Thanks for watching. If you haven't watched before, or if you haven't subscribed, please do. And love your comments. And thank you so much for the support. It means so much to me. I don't do this for any monetary terms. I purely do it because I want to give back to the industry. And I really appreciate the comments I've received over the past, and even on social media. I'm taken back by the support that I've been given. Thank you. I'll see you next time in about 2 weeks. Bye.